Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name of course is Danny. Thank you for clicking on this video. Listen, I just wanted to shoot a really quick intro for the footage that you're about to watch. I didn't do a good job of releasing this footage back when it was fairly fresh. This is some footage of a backpacking trip that I took with my wife, Becky, and this was back in October, and I'm releasing it here at end of January. Backpacking trip to South Cumberland State Park. I'm actually having to read this off a notebook. We were on the Collins West Trailhead, and we hiked to the Sawmill Campground there and back the next day. And so this is our footage of day one. This was Becky's first backpacking trip, and so we got out there and we did this, and I hope you enjoy the footage. Thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Danny and I have a special guest on this video. I have my wife Becky with me, and we are about to embark on our first, drive and film at the same time. We're about to embark on our first backpacking trip together. We've been married, what, 27 years? Yeah. And this is our first trip together. It's actually Becky's first backpacking trip, so that's going to be fun and exciting for her. It's our first trip together. I've backpacked many times, but I am by no means an expert. So we've got some new gear that we're going to be trying out on this trip, and going to a place that neither one of us have ever been before. And coming up to an intersection here. We are super excited. And we are on our way, so we'll film some more when we get closer to where we're going. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay. Just pointed at me. You gotta look at me. Oh.
Thanks for running on Duncan.
Hey, good morning. Can we get 4 of your sausage wake-up wrap sandwiches, please?
You said 4 of the sausage wake-up wraps?
That's correct.
What else for you?
I think that'll be it.
Alrighty, that's all. This is $10.93.
All right, thank you. Okay, so we're just 100 yards into the trail. We're on the Collins West Trail. We're headed to Sawmill Campground, and we've got to pass a couple waterfalls and things. We're packed up. It's going to be an overnight trip. We're still getting our gear situated a little bit. First time using trekking poles. I got a camera bag, we got water, we got stuff we're trying to figure out, but it's a beautiful fall day. The leaves are changing, leaves are falling. It's what's the temp, Beck? 56 degrees, 60 degrees, something like that. There's a little bit of a temperature change from where we were at home to here, but we're gonna hit the trail and see if we can't find a few things to show you on the way. Okay, all right, so check in later. Okay, I think this is where Cedar Falls is supposed to be, with a little bit of a creek runoff type deal going on down here. We're going to film for just a minute and walk. You with me back there?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Sounds like we got some people behind us. But it's a pretty neat little ridge. And then there's supposed to be a bridge you walk across up here that's going to be fun. So we'll film for just a minute right here. But it looks like it might get muddy here in a second. But no water. There's the bridge right there. Alright, we got people behind us. I'm going to turn this off. Hike update. So we're still on our way to Horse Pound Falls. We got to be getting close. I think I hear water. Of course, it could just be the air through the trees. Miss Becky's already had to take some layers off because it's all warm out here. So it's good though. Beautiful day, lots of fall foliage, fall colors. We're still making it. And we'll turn this back on when we get to the falls. Alright, so we've arrived at the sign that says Horsepound Falls. But the trail, I think that's the trail right there, but then there's like a runoff. I don't know if the camera does it justice of how dangerous that looks. The trail is starting to take its toll on us. So I think we're going to keep going straight and see if we can see something around the corner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is ridiculous. So, flip this around so I can see myself. We're tired. And we're ready to be at camp. See you in a minute. Best we can tell, we're about halfway to our campground, and we stopped. We got down to the bottom of the hill and stopped, and I wanted to show you there's a cave back in here. It does not look safe at all. But yeah, and apparently the water flows to a certain point and then goes under the hill, under the mountain. So anyhow, we're going to take a break and we're going to hit the trail again. Alright, so I'm wearing Morel shoes, hiking shoes. They're pretty rugged. My wife's got a pair over there as well. I like them. They're a good, rugged, tough shoe. They grip really good, but what I wish they had was a little padding. I wish they had something that came up right here, because as you're traversing these rocks, this bone right here on your shoe is taking a beating, and that's going to be sore tomorrow. So folks at Morel, if y'all are listening, fix that. So we're sitting down in this dried up river bed, and literally once we stepped out of the woods into this, it was like a stream of air that was noticeably cooler was coming through. So it was like an air conditioner. Second ago the wind picked up and leaves were just falling everywhere. It was really pretty cool. And I thought, you know what, as soon as I pull my camera out, it's going to stop, and that's exactly what happened. But just really cool place. We've got to be 80% there to our campground. And so we're looking forward to being done. There's a few leaves, hopefully you can see falling in the distance. But beautiful place out here. Alright, maybe we'll be at the campground here in just a few minutes. Alright, so we've made it to the campground. And let's see, this is full. There's our site.
Yay.
You made it. Alright. So we're going to get in here and get our tent set up, get our camp set up, and we'll check back in with you later. Alright, we're at the end of day one. There's Miss Becky right there. Hopefully you can see her. We didn't film dinner, but I wanted you to see our campfire. That's pretty cool. There's a log right there that's got our little stove, but this is what we did. Hopefully you can see the candles that we got laid out. I bought some citronella candles, and we scraped back the leaves on the ground. And I want to turn my light on so you can see our tent right there, kind of how it looked. But that way we got kind of like a runway to the fire. Another thing we did is we hung, hopefully you can see it, a glow stick out there on the entrance to our campsite. Just me zooming in on it. And we hung another one out there in the darkness. Doesn't show up. But we hung one on the outhouse too. So that's going to be it for day one. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll catch you on the next one.